Sanmonani. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is keeping warm in this cold winter in South Africa. Sisasephezulu kwayo indaba yabafazi bakaMseleko. You can see lana uMakay glowing as ever, asibonise nje ukuthi hayi nothing will bring me down, whether nithi la into engayilanda la kaMseleko I am not fulfilling it, but okusalayo I shall continue slaying and showing my beauty that the good Lord gave me. One thing about Khumalo Nkosi yami, she is such a lovely person. She's so caring on all of those kids that she's taking care of from Abomnini. You see Umnini having so much fun with Khumalo. You see Abompilo also like bragging, pouring their heart out of how much they love Khumalo and how much they appreciate her. I guess we also appreciate her. And in her corner, she's such a vibe, Khumalo. She's such a vibe. You can see in general, she's like a fun person to be. You can see also how much Khumalo puts in and show all these kids how much she loves them. Like you can see even the way she'll sit Usne down and talk to her and tell her Bana she must take care of her kids because her kids need to look up to her so that they'll have a figure to look up to. Like if abantwana bakho they don't look up to you, who do you expect them to look up to? Like she's always trying to even get Usne and Bana, you must do better with your kids, get an education, get that job, actually stay in that job and work very hard for your own kids. She continues showing Bana yena she's beautiful inside and outside. Ngosiam, see how she looks gorgeous in this lavishing long green dress. Phela Khumalo unokusithi asithi sicepe asithi pants athi long dresses, and she still looks gorgeous either way. She still looks beautiful either way. That's okay. So this is the after of Umseleko nesithembu sakhe. Singing nje, everyone is having fun. We saw her also even playing with umntwana kaMakhwela. That shows ukubana I will love all these kids that are brought into this world, regardlessly whether I've got my own child or I do not have. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video of Ingane Zesithembu okanye then Seleko Sithembus.